In today's video, we are going to be looking at how we can convert decimal numbers to binary, octal, and hexadecimal, how we can convert binary to decimal, octal, and hexadecimal, how we can convert octal to decimal, binary, and hexadecimal, how we can convert hexadecimal to decimal, octal, and binary. So you can see the Microsoft Excel. We're going to look at how to convert this in Microsoft Excel. You can see the Microsoft Excel. This is the decimal number, this is the binary number, this is the octal number, this is the hexadecimal number. So I'm going to be looking at how we can convert this decimal number to binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So to binary, I go to binary, click on it. Then you create an equality sign, which is used to assign a formula. So once I do that, I'm going to decimal. The abbreviation for decimal is DEX, DEC. So I'm going to type in DEC to bin, which is binary. And once I do that, I double click on it, then this is the number I want to convert. So I'm going to write the number, which is, I click on the number 89, and I'm going to close the bracket and click on enter. So this is the binary number, this is the binary aspect of this 89. So the octal, same thing, equal sign, dex to octal, dex to octal. You can see that, dex to octal. This is the number, close the bracket, then click on enter. This is the octal number of the decimal 89. To hexadecimal equals to dex, just this way, and you get everything dex to hex. Once you click on that, you're going to select the number and close the bracket and hit enter. So this is the hexadecimal number of 89. So let's move to binary. How can we convert this binary number to decimal, octal, and hexadecimal? So to decimal, click on it, equals to. So from binary, going to be bin to dex, bin to dex. So we're moving bin to dex. So we'll select the number. This is the number. I'm going to close it. Once I close it, I hit on enter on my keyboard. And this is 179. To octal, the same thing. You type in bin to octal. Once you type, oh, sorry, you have to input the equality sign. Bin to octal. Okay, bin to octal. So bin to octal, you select the number, close the bracket, and hit enter key on your keyboard. The same thing here, equality sign, bin to hex, bin to hexadecimal. Double click on it, select the number you want to change to hexadecimal, close the bracket and hit on enter. You're going to get the hexadecimal form of it, which is B3. So you can remember that binary is made up of 1 and 0 and 1. Decimal is made from 0 to 9. Octal is from 0 to 7. So this is the octal number here now. So we want to convert octal to decimal. This octal 757 to decimal, hit equality sign. So we're going to type in oct to dex, and once you type in oct to dex, you double click on it, select the number, close the bracket, and hit on enter. So this is the decimal form of 757. So the same thing here, equality sign, you type in oct to binary. Oct to binary, you select the number you want to change to binary, close the bracket, and hit on what? Enter. You can see that this is the binary form of it. You don't need to start solving it theoretically. So you come to this place, you're going to click on equals to. So oct to hexadecimal, oct to hens. So select the number, close the bracket, and hit on enter. You get the equivalent of it. So let's look at hexadecimal to decimal. So look at this, hexadecimal to decimal. All you need to do is to do the same thing, equals to hex to dex, double click on it, select the number, close the bracket. Once you close the bracket, you hit on enter. Same thing here is equals to hence to octal, So you type in octal, double click on it, and select the number you're converting to octal. Then you close the bracket and hit on what? Enter. The same thing here, equals to hence to bin. Double click on it, select, equals to hence to bin. Double click on it, select the number, close the bracket and hit on enter. And once you've done that, you can see that it changes. Now if I want to change another number, I can just come here and type in the number. Let's say I want to change to 97. Once I do that, everything here automatically changes. You can see that. So the same thing applies to this. If I change it to 1101, everything automatically changes. You can see that. If I change this to 898, everything will automatically change. Oh, sorry about that. If this is octal, so the lowest number in octal is supposed to be 7, not 9. So if I change this to 546, everything will automatically change. So for this, I can change it to maybe B5, everything will automatically change. So this is how we can convert the various number-based system to the other. Thanks for watching. See you some other time.